couple of questions I want to ask you. But by the way,
Yeah.
nice meeting you. I'm really excited.
So nice to meet you too.
Yeah, listening to you, you know, I could see the passion. You're passionate about a lot of things,
I
right?
am.
And I can see the dominating part of you that just wants to make things happen.
Yeah.
I saw it in your presentation today. So I just want to ask you this question.
Yeah.
From a legal standpoint, what role do law play in supporting or restricting innovations?
No, we don't restrict it at all. Okay, let me start with the restriction side. It's not necessarily to restrict, it's to create a safe environment.
Okay.
Because when you have innovation, you most likely tend to have renegades. Innovation encourages new thinking,
True.
new ways of doing things.
Yeah.
So you're always going to have some people that want to go.
True.
They want to go over and beyond,
yes,
which can sometimes harm other people.
Yeah, I agree.
So the legal frameworks are there just to
protect,
to
guide.
protect. So I wouldn't say it's restrict. It's more of a protective role that we play. But the role we play to support innovation is, I guess, around things like inclusivity, because otherwise innovation will end up being for just a group of people, and we won't get to tap into what some other marginalized groups are doing. Like, I love what's happening today. You've been really thoughtful. You've thought about the hard of hearing. You've thought about the visually impaired. And a lot of the school competitions these days, they don't think about them. You know, so the role of legal is really just to remind everyone about ethics, inclusivity, creating a safe space, and also the policies. You know, now we've got, I think our AI policy should be coming up in Nigeria. A lot of African countries are developing AI policies. So that's the role of law. Law is to say, oh, how can we make this environment more viable for more players to come in, where kids can bring their ideas, and a child of 16 can have a business venture as well. Of course. So.
Powerful, huh? I mean, you expanded my mind. I never saw it in that light, but it's just an exciting moment to have such a powerful thinking. You know, I mean, you asking them such questions, and I just remember my background. We didn't really have such platforms.
No, we didn't growing up.
They told us to shut down, to talk to elders, and then some of us, we actually grew up with inferiority complex to speak.
Oh yes. Oh,
do you know, till I started working, I battled with speaking out.
Me too. Many of us did.
Millennials, we battle with talking.
Isn't that why they have the Soroso case?
Exactly.
They say, but you people didn't speak up. Leave us, so we're speaking out. So we are the Soroso generation. We're still battling with it till today.
True.
But now, more and more of us, people my age, we're getting a chance to finally speak and be part of great initiatives like this.
Do you have, sorry to ask, have kids? Three. Oh wow.
16, 15, and 11.
So, is any of your child going through the same the career path that
I am going
that you are in right currently?
Well, I have two that are very sporty.
Oh, wow.
They compete. They're competitive. Football, running, athletics, netball. My daughter does 4 sports.
Oh, beautiful.
Swimming. Yeah.
So it means that you have a lot of conversation happening in the house.
Always.
All the time, asking questions. Oh, mommy, how do we do this? How did you do that?
Do you know what? I don't think they ask me. I'm always lecturing.
Oh, my
house is like it's headaches. Every day I'm giving one lecture, and they're like, oh. But I know they're listening. I know they're listening because I see the way they put their hearts into their work. I see the way they apply themselves. So I know they're listening. Kids are always listening. That's why look at them. Look at what that boy did. From an experience his friend suffered. He had internalized it and said, I'm going to come up with something.
True.
Kids are always listening, so they need to be listening to the right things.
Yeah, the take home line for me today is kids are always listening.
They're always
think
listening.
that they're not listening, but
they're listening. They're listening.
You know.
So that example, and then they will go away and tell their friends about what they did here,
Yeah.
more other schools will say, how can we come next year and be
Yes.
part of this?
I totally
So we need a bigger space because
Yeah, we need
it's
a
going to be
because,
bigger next year.
It's going to be bigger next year. And the truth is, I remember when I went to drop the letter, we had the time was against us, right?
Yeah, I know.
We're like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and
Let's just do it.
Let's just go ahead and do it.
What will Professor Ashir say? Start today.
Start today.
Have a vision, but start today.
You know, the idea we were given at the time is the future is very far. So you have this thing at the back of your mind. Even if you speak with adults of today, millennials, they will tell you, oh, the future, my future, but forgetting
Future is
that
now.
future is now. Whatever
Future
you
is
want to do
now.
now. I mean, Professor said something. You need to start building today.
Today.
As you're living here, whatever is on your